race number 4. And the race is on. Cold reception. Fast to begin rushing up. Devil in Disguise. Apples Plus down on the inside. Rushing up Senor Elijah. Naglalabyog, Bombardier, and Rompe. Candado is the early trailer. Senor Elijah, this time by some 6 lengths, followed by Cold Reception. Apples Plus, down on the inside, Devil in Disguise, Naglalabyog, racing from the outside, Bombardier. Rounding the 3/4 mile distance, Senor Elijah, by some 8 or 9 lengths, followed by Cool Reception. As they move towards the back, Senor Elijah by some 8 lengths, followed by Cool Reception down on the inside, and on the outside is Naglalabyog. Devil in Disguise racing from the outside, Ford running down on the inside, Apples Plus, Bombardier, and a long way back to Rompe, Candado. Nearing the far turn, Senor Elijah by only 3 legs, Naglalabyog is racing from the outside, Cold Reception. Devil in Disguise racing forward by some 2 lengths as they race rush for 50. Naglalabyog is now the leader. Cold Reception, Senor Elijah down on the inside, and Devil in Disguise. And nearing the last 250 meters more to run, Naglalabyog by a length and a half. Cold Reception from the outside, and Devil in Disguise. And nearing the finish line, Naglalabyog, Cold Reception, Naglalabyog, Cold Reception moves up. And finally, Cold Reception, Naglalabyog, Devil in Disguise, Apples Plus, Senor Elijah, Bombardier, and Rompe. Candado comes last through all the